Hello ladies and gentlemen. If you're a subscriber, I appreciate your subscription. If you stumbled across our videos and watch them, I really do appreciate it. My subscribers mean more to me than anything. The footage that I'm about to show is it's going to be pretty raw, but my oldest son, called me and he said he wanted to come in and shoot with me, and he had a couple hours, so he came over and I filmed a little bit of footage of us shooting together, and decided to make a YouTube video out of it. So this one is pretty special to me. You've seen my younger son. This is my older son, Austin. And it meant a lot to me. So if you get a chance to watch, if you watch this, I hope you enjoy it. You have a good weekend. All right. Here we go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm just trying a different load with my rifle than what I normally have. I didn't like those 165 grains at all, so I'm trying some 150 grain with IMOR 4895. I got my oldest son out here shooting with me, so that puts pressure on me because he can shoot better than I can. I'm gonna fire a 3-round group. We'll see if I get any type of decent group out of this load. Hey son, you got your hearing protection on?
Yeah.
All right. Alright, we got to go see if that one grouped. I'm going to pause it and I'll take it with me. Okay, what I got with that load, and it's about 60 yards. I got 2 touching and I got 1 that is 2 inches away. But one of those cartridges was a little beat up from trying to adjust the distance from the rifling, and it was a cold bore. But we're going to try it again. Hold that. Alright, I'm going to fire one more group just to verify. See if I still got that crazy flyer. I was kind of, hey Austin,
yeah,
I was liking those 2 that were touching. If I could just get all 3 to do that, I'd call this a load. Maybe I'll tweak this one though. I think this rifle likes the 150 better than it does the 165. I love the action on this rifle. Alright, we'll check that one, see if it's any better. Alright, this is the second group I fired with the barrel slightly fouled. They strung a little, but I got sub MOA, so I'm going to take, but this is only at 60 yards. So I'm going to take this out to 100 on the next video. And I'm going to take this particular load and tweak it a little up and down and see what I can get. But anyhow, thanks for watching. All right, Austin's turn. I covered those last hits up. Hey, if those were under an inch, that's not bad. It's a good rifle. I got the scope cranked up on 9 power. I've just been centering the crosshairs on that orange square.
Let's see if I can hit it.
I bet you can.
Safety just push forward?
Yeah, all the way. It's like a 3-click. It's off.
It's off?
It's off safe. I think you nailed it.
No, I was right to the side of it.
Okay, barely touching. What happened? Oh, you didn't pick one up. There you go. Yeah. That thing does that every once in a while. I don't know what the deal is.
Maybe that screen.
There you go. Okay, you nailed it that time. Let's see. I'll pause our camera. We'll go take a look at that group. Alrighty. Austin, man, you're shooting good. You got, let's see. Okay, that's 8. Those are under an inch. And that one opens it up to, well, little over 1.5, 1 3/4 inch. Not a bad group, especially these 3. So that's good shooting. I taught Austin to shoot when he was just a little bitty guy, and he's always been pretty good. He shoots free-handed pretty well too. But me and Austin are gonna pause you. And then we're going to go have some fun with a Swiss K31. All right. I have to. All right. Hey, Austin is going to have some fun with the Swiss K31 at the same target, but free-handed. And I'm going to go put the calipers in the truck. I'll be right back, son. You can fire all you want. I'm just gonna watch. You can stand.
Take a few shots free-handed and
yeah, if you want to shoot off the wrist, that's fine. Or shoot free-handed. Those are just some light, target loads. All right. I do like that rifle.
Here, I want to try shooting it off.
Oh, okay. I will take I'm going to use the Alt 6 scope. And look. We'll make this killer. Reload. I'm going to grab a few target rounds. We'll fire together. Hey, let me load up. We'll give them something to talk about.
You gonna do your standing up?
Oh yeah.
Alright.
We'll go side by side. Oh, that's 5. You loaded?
Yeah, ready to go.
All right, whenever you're ready.
You fire
Hey, let me go to 3 power for this. Okay, ready?
So you fire first.
Fire. At the same time. That's empty. All right. I heated the barrel on that one.
Yeah, it's pretty hot too.
Hey, we were just rapid. We were just kind of rapid firing. But, hey, we can do the goodbye. We'll pick up Brass in a minute. Austin, my son and I were just having a little fun, and we appreciate you watching our video. God bless America. God bless mankind. And I hope you have a good weekend. All right, that'll wrap that up. We got us a cool video in.
You wanna post that?